Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record Roblox with OBS 2024. So let's go to the OBS first. Then you have to go to this settings option. After go to settings, you have to click on this output option. Click on output and you can see here output mode, which is advanced. You have to make it simple. Just drop down and you'll find here simple option. Then you can see here the video vibrate. You can change this one. Video encoder should be X264, or here you'll find your recording path. You can change your recording path by clicking on browse option. Okay, and then you can see here the recording format. You can change the recording format by clicking here. You can make it MKV, MP4, MOV, or anything you want. After that you have to click on apply, then click on OK. Now you have to click on this plus icon in the sources option. Click on plus icon, this one, and choose display capture. Click on this display capture and you can change this name. This up to you. Click on OK. Now you have to click on this OK again. Now if you click on start recording, your recording will be started, and after clicking on start recording you can open your Roblox game here and it will be display here. Okay, so after doing that you have to click on stop recording too, then your recording will be stopped. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.